My question is regarding to today's Dars at Mubarak Masjid. I believe it was Surah Bani Israel, where they talk about that the Christians, they have a fascination and a longing towards the Roman Empire, which persecuted them, but they cursed the Muslims who openly accepted them. Why is this?
Because we claim that the Holy Prophet ﷺ is the last of the prophets, right? And Christians believe that no, Jesus Christ is the Son of God, so He is the supreme of all the human beings and all the prophets and all the religions, right? This is why they have some enmity in their hearts for Muslims. You see, those original Christians were the true believers. They believed in one God. They didn't believe that Jesus Christ was the Son of God. But later on, when Christianity spread, the Roman king accepted Christianity and they just distorted the teaching of Christianity and added some of their own traditions and myths of their religion. So now the present day Christianity is actually the mixture of Roman ideology and Christianity. This is why they are not against Romans.